this video is all gonna be about phrases you can use on the beach. Enough talk and let's go. First one, this beach is beautiful. How do you say that? You with your new friend, you just met someone, or you just walk up to the bar and there's a lady sitting there drinking, or there's a handsome guy sitting there, and you just want to make a conversation. You say, hey, this beach is beautiful. ชายหาดสวยมาก ชายหาดสวยมาก means this beach right here is gorgeous, it's beautiful. That's a good opening line. I ain't gonna tell you how to, do like this stupid like one-liner thing or pick-up line bull crap, dude. I'm here to teach you how to communicate with people. I'm here to teach you how to say things in Thai, to be safe, to be friendly, and to connect with people. Okay? So maybe get some interaction going on and maybe some attraction as well. Okay? This beach is beautiful. ชายหาดสวยมาก Great opening line. Next one. I want to swim. ฉัน or ผม is a guy. If you're a guy, use ผม. If you're a lady, use ฉัน. For a guy, you can use ผม or ฉัน. For ladies, you can use ฉัน as long as you don't call yourself ผม But if you identify yourself as a man, then you can use ผม It's all good. Okay? I want to swim. ฉันอยากว่ายน้ำ ฉันอยากว่ายน้ำ means I want to swim. Okay? อยาก means want. I want to. Swim is ว่ายน้ำ ว่ายน้ำ is swim. ฉันอยากว่ายน้ำ I want to swim. Alright, next one. I want to go snorkel or diving. You go for a dive or snorkeling or whatever. ฉันอยากดำน้ำ Maybe there's activities you can pay. There's a tour group. Take you out into the middle of the ocean and just drop you off. Right? For a month. I don't know. Yeah. ฉันอยากดำน้ำ ดำน้ำ means snorkeling or diving or whatever you want to do. You all like that crazy stuff, right? So ฉันอยากดำน้ำ Alright, next one. You get hungry and you wonder, are there any restaurant at the beach? มีร้านอาหารที่ชายหาดไหม Longer one. มีร้านอาหารที่ชายหาดไหม Means that, is there any restaurant out here? I'm getting hungry, man. Okay? Or you can just say มีอาหารที่ชายหาดไหม Means there food here on the beach? It doesn't have to be a restaurant. It's just any food. Like, some vendors just walk by, or they can say, oh yeah, there's a little booth right here. It doesn't have to be a restaurant. Restaurant is ร้านอาหาร okay? But if you say just มีอาหาร means it's just any kind of food. I don't care. Just give me something. Okay? So you can use both. ร้านอาหาร mean a restaurant. Just อาหาร mean just food. มีอาหารที่ชายหาดไหม Next one. I want to take a photo on the beach. ฉันอยากถ่ายรูปที่ชายหาด ฉันอยากถ่ายรูปที่ชายหาด I want to take a picture at the beach. Okay? Maybe like you with your new friend, with your new guys friends or lady friends or just regular friends, right? And Thai friends. And you want a group photo. Or you just want them to take photo of you alone. I don't know. Maybe you're one of those, right? You say, hey, can you take a photo of me on the beach? ฉันอยากถ่ายรูปที่ชายหาด Yeah, it's a good memory. You should do that because it's pretty awesome. The beach in Thailand is just gorgeous, man. Blue water, blue sky, especially sunset, You know what I love about beach in Thailand? You can sit on a beach and there's a massage service. Yeah, they can just massage you. It's a pretty reasonable price too. It's super cheap, bro. You just try it, okay? And you can drink your Mai Tai or you drink your beer or whatever you want and just enjoy yourself, okay? Just don't get drunk and going around fighting people. Crazy. All right, next one. You want to rent the chairs and rent umbrellas because it's getting hot. You don't want to get burned. It's getting sunburned in Thailand is horrible, dude. Especially his first day. You get there, you're all excited, you want to play in the sun, you want to play in the ocean, and an hour later, you're totally walking around like lobster. You know what I'm saying? So it's good to learn how to get chairs and umbrella. Is there a place to rent chairs and umbrellas? How to say that in Thai is มีร้านเช่าเก้าอี้และร่มไหมมีร้านเช่าเก้าอี้และร่มไหม You can just take it slow, dude. You don't have to get all rush, like crazy people. มีร้านเช่าเก้าอี้และร่มไหมร้านเช่า means a rental of any kind. ร้านเช่า it can be a car or a moped. ร้านเช่า bicycle, is any kind of rental service. ร้านเช่า okay. เก้าอี้ means chairs. Umbrella is ร่ม so together is มีร้านเช่าเก้าอี้และร่มไหม okay, and they'll understand so you don't get all burned. Next one. I want to relax under the shade. People are like, hey man, let's go for a walk. You're like, come on bro, it's like 2 in the afternoon and like I'm just tired. I just got here like 5 minutes ago and it's hot as hell. I just want to sit here and just watching the ocean. And you say ฉันอยากพักผ่อนในร่มฉันอยากพักผ่อนในร่ม means I want just kicking it here under in the shade. Just go along and leave me because I'm happy where I'm at. Okay, next one. Is there a bar here at the beach? So you're getting thirsty, you're getting parched. มีบาร์ที่ชายหาดไหมมีบาร์ที่ชายหาดไหม means is there a bar out here on the beach because you want some to drink. So that's important to know. You don't want to be like dehydrated. For me, I just hydrate myself with whiskey. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. My name is Bodo and this is Bodo Thai. I'll see you next time. Peace.